Here we have a video tutorial on how to replace or remove low beam light bulb H7 on Mercedes-Benz B-Class W245. 1. Open the bonnet and remove the plastic cover from behind the low beam light. Just press the plastic clip and then pull it out. Two. Disconnect the cables from the bulb. Just pull it outwards. Three. Pull the safety clamp aside by pushing it towards the front of the car and then downwards. Four. Remove the low beam bulb from the headlight. The Mercedes-Benz B-Class uses an H7 halogen bulb for the low beam. Find a new H7 bulb for the Mercedes-Benz B-Class below in the video description. When installing the new bulb, make sure that the cutout part of the bulb is positioned between the two metal parts indicated by the yellow arrows. 5. Replace the old bulb with a new one and connect the clip back in place. Don't touch the bulb with your bare hands. It's better to wear latex gloves when you change the bulb, otherwise, you may shorten the bulb's life with the grease from your hands. Six. Reinstall the cables on the low beam bulb. 7. Put the cover back on and close the hood. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.